turns out that most doctors don't go to work for Saatchi Saatchi, Ogilvy, McKinsey, or the Strategic Incubator. And that's okay, because we worked at some of those companies and agencies. You see, the vision that we have is to teach campaigns, compliant, creative, contextual campaigns to private practice surgeons so that you can implement it. It will actually help you predict your marketing budget. It will actually let you know what your patients are most interested in. And it will give you an indicator of which direction you need to focus your marketing on. That's what a campaign does, because a campaign is representative of your unique perspective, procedure, process, protocol, and place of treatment. You just haven't had anybody teach you how to, in parentheses, develop a campaign. Up till now, you've thought about a campaign as, oh man, they're going to try to sell me on Facebook advertising, etc. Well, that can be an element of it, but that's not a strategy. A strategy is taking an idea based on analytics, letting your patient decide what is considered creative, and using that to develop key messages that honor your patients in the way that they make decisions. Doctor, you are extremely analytical. It's part of your giftedness. It's the reason why you passed organic chemistry and why I went the advertising agency route. There's a difference in the way that we think. You were not taught how to do branding or a campaign. So these upcoming webinars are going to be a series on how to develop campaigns specifically for the private practice surgeon. To my knowledge, there were no other webinars like that, with our experience of having done this collectively since 1994, and at Feed the Agency regarded or voted by the American Marketing Association as a best cause marketing agency. We're going to teach you how to do it compliantly and creatively for free. You just got to show up. So register in this registration link that I'm going to put in the comment section, and you'll be updated on all of the different webinars that we have upcoming. If that sounds like interesting to you, click on the link.